Okay, guys, so following up on a story that broke overnight regarding Costa Rica and the players that tested positive for the Big C, Jamaica are set to lodge a formal complaint. Now, the news has gone overseas. This is a report coming from the Daily Mail or the Mail Online out of the UK. So, Jamaica are set to lodge a complaint with FIFA after claims that they played against two coronavirus positive Costa Rica players in Wednesday's World Cup qualifier. Jamaica Football Federation Medical Chief Dr. Goyan Arscott told the Jamaica Gleaner 6 people from Costa Rica's traveling party, including 2 players who faced the Reggae Boyz, tested positive for COVID-19 on arrival in Jamaica on Tuesday. Now, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wilt has confirmed the body is aware of the issue and will consequently make a formal complaint to FIFA on the matter. He says, "I don't know what we can appeal, but I'm sure I'll be sending something to FIFA to inquire as to why this happened, because this is an absolute breach of the rules," Wint said. Sports Mail has contacted the Costa Rican Football Federation for comment. Arscott meanwhile said, "I can confirm that there were 6 Costa Ricans that tested positive. 3 were non-players and 3 were players. 1 player was isolated because his test was deemed to be relatively new. We recommended that those two players should be isolated or should not be allowed to play." Yeah, guys, so we are following this story as it breaks. It seems that the JFF will be taking this to FIFA, which rightfully they should if these allegations turn out to be true. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section.